Good day everyone, I am Diana Jane Reyes from BSIS 3A and today I will be presenting my midterm project about a private university. Introduction to the generic organization and its tree system. The organization discussed in this study is a private university, an educational institution that provides higher education and professional development opportunity to students. The university primary mission is to deliver quality academic programs, support student learning, and maintain strong connection with its alumni community. The three main systems utilized by the private university are the enrollment system, the learning management system, and the alumni tracking system. BPMN of the system with short description. Enrollment system. The BPMN diagram illustrates how the enrollment system manages the student enrollment process. It begins when a student submits an enrollment form to the registrar. The registrar verifies the completeness of the submitted requirements. If incomplete, the process pauses until all requirements are met. Once verified, the student proceeds to pay required fees, which are then checked by the registrar for accuracy and completion. If payment is confirmed, the registrar finalizes the student enrollment and the system send enrollment data to the Learning Management System (LMS) in the library system to grant access to academic and library resources. The process concludes when the student is officially enrolled. Learning Management System (LMS). The BPMN illustrate how the Learning Management System (LMS) facilitate digital learning, academic record management. The process begins when enrollment data is received from the registrar, prompting to the IT department to provision LMS account for student and faculty. Faculty member then upload course materials, readings, and assignments, which student can access through the system. Students submit their assignment online and faculty check submission and encode grades accordingly. Once grades are finalized, they are sent to registrar to official recording. The guidance office monitors student performance data, while parents access progress update to track their child academic standing. Finally, grades are recorded and archived for alumni reference and institutional records. Alumni tracking system. The BPMN diagram illustrates how the alumni tracking system manages graduate information and post-graduation engagement. The process begins when a student graduates and the registrar forwards the graduation data to the alumni office. The alumni office creates an alumni profile while the career placement unit collects employment information to monitor graduates' career outcomes. Employers verify credentials, ensuring the authenticity of alumni qualification. Alumni can then update their contact and career details, keeping records accurate and current. The university fundraising and event office uses this data to notify alumni about institutional activities and opportunity for involvement. The process concludes when the alumni record is updated and integrated into the university central database. Unified Relational Database Schema for the system with short description. The diagram illustrates the Unified Relational Database Schema, designed to centralize and integrate data across the school, academic, and administrative system. It connects core entities such as student, enrollment, course, faculty, registrar, grade, payment, parent and guardian, alumni, career placement, employer, event, and submission, ensuring seamless data flow and consistency. Each student record links to enrollment data, payments, grade, and parental information, while faculty and registrar manage courses, assignment, and grading. Alumni data integrates with career placement and employer records for post-graduation tracking, and the event tables support engagement and university initiatives. Thank you.